Hi everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. Today we're going to make another dessert. It's called Biko, or sweet rice cake. This dessert is made of black glutinous rice, coconut milk, and brown sugar. We need 4 cups of black glutinous rice. Put it in a bowl and soak it with water for 2 hours. We need to soak it to make the rice softer. After 2 hours, strain it, remove the liquid. Then transfer it on a pot. Add water. We need 5 cups of water. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. Once it's boiling, you can reduce the heat. Replace the lid with another lid. Let it simmer until it's cooked. While waiting for the rice to cook, we can prepare the topping. Pour 2 cans of coconut milk or 820 ml into a pot. Add 1/2 cup brown sugar. Add 1/4 cup of molasses. Add another 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Stir it so it is mixed well. Then bring this to boil. Now the glutinous rice is cooked. You can turn off the stove because the rice is cooked now and set aside while waiting for the syrup to cook. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir it again and wait till it's boiling. Once it's boiling, you can turn it off. We can mix it with the rice now. We'll leave 1/4 of this liquid for the topping. The other 3/4 we can mix it on the rice and make sure it's mixed properly. It looks a little bit wet, but it will dry out once you put it in the fridge. This dessert is also good with coffee or tea. This is the 1/4 part of the syrup, And I added 2 teaspoons of cinnamon to add some flavor. I'm cooking this longer because I want to make it sticky as a topping. Let's transfer the rice into another container so we can decorate it with the topping and to cool it down as well. Spread it generously so it's distributed properly. Then pour the syrup on top of the rice. Spread it evenly. You can use a spatula so you can spread the syrup all over the rice. If you're feeling creative, you can add or sprinkle some cinnamon powder and add some condensed milk for extra flavor. And this is it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please comment down below and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.